The art of meal prepping for a healthy week.
Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen each day, only to end up with unhealthy takeout? Introducing the NutriNourish Hub, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of meal prepping for a healthy week. In this video, we'll unveil creative hacks to keep your taste buds excited, explore how meal prepping can help you achieve your fitness goals, and reveal the benefits of weight management, portion control, and increased energy levels. Get ready to unlock the secrets of efficient meal prepping and set yourself up for success. Don't forget to subscribe to the NutriNourish Hub for more inspiring content like this. Hit that like button to show your support for a healthier lifestyle. Let's dive in.
Master the art of meal prepping to save time and effort while achieving a healthier lifestyle.
Meal prepping is not just a trendy concept. It is a powerful tool that can help you save both time and effort while pursuing a healthier lifestyle. By mastering the art of meal prepping, you can streamline your cooking process and ensure that nutritious meals are always readily available. One fascinating aspect of meal prepping is its ability to support weight management goals. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can control portion sizes and avoid impulsive food choices that may hinder your progress. This method allows you to make deliberate and conscious decisions about your dietary intake. Moreover, the benefits of meal prepping extend beyond just saving time. It also allows you to make healthier choices consistently. When you take the time to plan and prep your meals, you are more likely to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet. This means incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. By dedicating a specific time to meal prepping, you can ensure that your diet is well balanced and rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Another interesting aspect of meal prepping is its potential to reduce food waste. When you plan your meals in advance, you have a clear idea of the ingredients you need and the quantities required. This helps minimize the possibility of buying excess food that may go unused and eventually be thrown away. By utilizing leftovers effectively and creating meals that can be repurposed, you can also make the most of your ingredients and reduce unnecessary waste. In conclusion, mastering the art of meal prepping is a game changer when it comes to achieving a healthier lifestyle. Not only does it save time and effort, but it also supports weight management goals, encourages healthier eating habits, and reduces food waste. By incorporating meal prepping into your routine, you can take control of your diet and set yourself up for success in pursuing your health and wellness goals.
Discover creative meal prepping hacks to keep your taste buds excited throughout the week.
Meal prepping doesn't have to be monotonous or boring. In fact, there are countless creative hacks that can keep your taste buds excited throughout the week. One intriguing hack is the concept of flavor profiles. By using different combinations of herbs, spices, and marinades, you can transform basic ingredients into diverse and flavorful meals. For example, a simple chicken breast can be marinated in lemon and herbs one day, then infused with Asian-inspired flavors the next. This variety ensures that each meal is a delightful surprise for your taste buds. Another exciting meal prepping hack involves incorporating different textures into your dishes. By combining ingredients with varying textures, such as crunchy vegetables, tender proteins, and chewy grains, you can create a delightful sensory experience with each bite. Consider adding roasted vegetables to salads, or topping your meals with toasted nuts or seeds for an added crunch. These small touches can make a significant difference in enhancing the overall enjoyment of your meals. Furthermore, exploring global cuisines can be a fantastic way to keep your taste buds engaged. Each culture has its own unique flavors and cooking techniques that can add a new level of excitement to your meal prep. Experimenting with recipes from different countries can introduce you to a wide array of spices, sauces, and ingredients that you may not have considered before. From indulging in the aromatic spices of Indian cuisine to savoring the vibrant flavors of Mexican dishes, the possibilities are endless when it comes to expanding your culinary horizons. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of meal presentation. The visual appeal of a dish can greatly influence your perception of its taste. Take the time to plate your meals attractively, incorporating colorful fruits and vegetables, garnishes, and artistic arrangements. This attention to detail can make your meals feel more enjoyable and satisfying, even if you're eating leftovers. Additionally, experimenting with different plating styles and presentation techniques can make each meal feel like a special dining experience, adding an extra touch of excitement to your meal prep routine. In summary, meal prepping doesn't have to be bland or repetitive. By exploring different flavor profiles, incorporating varied textures, experimenting with global cuisines, and paying attention to meal presentation, you can keep your taste buds excited and engaged throughout the week. These creative meal prepping hacks will not only make your meals more enjoyable but will also elevate your overall dining experience and help you stay committed to your healthy eating goals.
Learn how meal prepping can help you achieve your fitness goals by maintaining a balanced diet.
Meal prepping is not just a time-saving strategy. It can also be a powerful tool to help you achieve your fitness goals by maintaining a balanced diet. One noteworthy benefit of meal prepping is that it allows you to have control over your portion sizes. By pre-planning and portioning your meals, you can ensure that you're consuming the right amount of nutrients for your body's needs. This precise control of portion sizes can be especially beneficial if you're looking to lose weight or build muscle. In addition to portion control, meal prepping can also contribute to a more balanced and nutritious diet. When you have your meals ready in advance, you're less likely to resort to unhealthy fast food or convenient snacks. Instead, you can fill your prepped meals with a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients such as lean proteins, whole grains, colorful fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats. This way, you can fuel your body with the essential nutrients it needs for optimal performance and recovery. Moreover, meal prepping gives you the opportunity to experiment with new and nutritious recipes. When planning your meals for the week, you can search for healthy recipes that align with your fitness goals and dietary preferences. This allows you to incorporate a wide range of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques into your meals, keeping your taste buds satisfied while providing essential nutrients. Whether you're trying a new plant-based dish, a protein-packed recipe, or a flavorful salad, meal prepping gives you the chance to diversify your culinary experience and discover new healthy favorites. Lastly, meal prepping can help you stay consistent with your fitness goals by reducing decision fatigue and temptation. When you have your meals prepared in advance, you eliminate the need to make spontaneous food choices throughout the day. This can be particularly helpful when you're feeling tired, busy, or overwhelmed. By having your nourishing meals readily available, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy alternatives or skip meals altogether. This consistency in your dietary habits can provide the foundation for sustainable progress towards your fitness goals. In conclusion, meal prepping is a valuable strategy for maintaining a balanced diet and supporting your fitness goals. From portion control and balanced nutrition to culinary exploration and consistency, the benefits of meal prepping extend beyond mere convenience. By embracing this practice, you can take control of your diet, optimize your nutrient intake, and stay on track with your fitness journey.
Explore the benefits of meal prepping, including weight management, portion control, and increased energy levels.
Meal prepping offers numerous benefits that can positively impact your overall well-being. One significant advantage is its ability to aid in weight management. When you plan and prepare your meals in advance, you have better control over the ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to manage your calorie intake. This allows you to make conscious choices about the foods you consume, potentially leading to weight loss or maintenance. In addition to weight management, meal prepping provides a powerful tool for portion control. By pre-measuring your meals and snacks, you can ensure that you're consuming appropriate portion sizes, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy diet. Portion control not only helps prevent overeating but also allows you to balance your macronutrient intake. By including appropriate amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in your prepped meals, you can achieve a well-rounded diet that supports your health and fitness goals. One often overlooked benefit of meal prepping is its role in boosting energy levels. When you have nutritious, properly portioned meals ready to go, you avoid reaching for convenient yet unhealthy options when hunger strikes. By fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods, you provide it with the energy it needs to perform at its best. Consistently consuming balanced meals can prevent energy crashes throughout the day, helping you stay focused, productive, and motivated. Furthermore, meal prepping can save you time and stress in the long run. Spending a few hours each week to plan, prepare, and portion your meals can significantly reduce the time you spend in the kitchen on a daily basis. This can be particularly beneficial if you have a busy schedule or find yourself frequently eating out. By having your meals readily available, you eliminate the need to make last-minute decisions or resort to unhealthy alternatives. This can help reduce stress and create a sense of control over your dietary choices. To summarize, meal prepping offers a range of benefits, including weight management, portion control, increased energy levels, and time-saving convenience. By adopting this practice, you can take charge of your nutrition, support your health goals, and simplify your daily routine. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain a balanced diet, or improve your overall well-being, meal prepping can be a valuable tool on your journey to a healthier lifestyle.
Unlock the secrets of efficient meal prepping to set yourself up for success and overcome common obstacles.
Efficient meal prepping is the key to setting yourself up for success and overcoming common obstacles on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. By understanding the secrets and implementing them into your meal prep routine, you can optimize your efforts and make the process more manageable. One essential element of efficient meal prepping is proper planning. Take the time to create a weekly meal plan, outlining the meals and snacks you want to prepare. This allows you to take stock of the ingredients you need, ensuring you have everything on hand and minimizing last-minute grocery store trips. Planning also enables you to diversify your meals, making the experience more enjoyable and preventing food boredom. Another secret to efficient meal prepping is maximizing your time and resources. When batch cooking, prepare larger quantities of certain ingredients or dishes that can be used in multiple meals throughout the week. For example, pre-cook a large batch of chicken breast that can be incorporated into salads, wraps, or stir-fries. Utilizing versatile ingredients and cooking methods can help save time while still providing variety and flexibility in your meals. One obstacle many people face when it comes to meal prepping is the concern of food spoilage. However, with proper storage techniques, you can extend the shelf life of your prepped meals. Invest in quality meal prep containers that are airtight and leak-proof to keep your food fresh for longer. Additionally, certain ingredients, such as leafy greens, are best stored separately from the rest of the meal until consumed to maintain their crispness and texture. Efficient meal prepping also requires honing your organization skills. Keep your kitchen well stocked with essential pantry items and regularly check your inventory to ensure you have an adequate supply. Organize your fridge and pantry so that prepped meals and ingredients are easily accessible and visible. This saves time and reduces frustration when you're searching for specific items during busy meal times. In conclusion, unlocking the secrets of efficient meal prepping can set you up for success and help you overcome common obstacles. By planning ahead, maximizing your time and resources, utilizing proper storage techniques, and honing your organizational skills, you can streamline the meal prep process. Incorporating these tactics into your routine will allow you to enjoy the benefits of meal prepping while minimizing stress and maximizing your chances of maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
The art of meal prepping for a healthy week.
Hungry for more meal prepping inspiration? Head over to the NutriNourish Hub, your ultimate destination for healthy and delicious recipes. Subscribe now and join our community of food enthusiasts on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that like button and fuel your motivation to eat well and live well. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering content, only on NutriNourish Hub.